Hello, friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel GochlarWorks. Today, we will learn how to use grammar to unleash your creativity and write captivating stories. Creative writing is all about expressing your imagination through words. It allows you to create fascinating worlds, interesting characters, and engaging plots. But how does grammar fit into this? Well, think of grammar as the building blocks of your writing. It's like the structure that holds your story together and makes it clear and understandable. Let's see an example to understand better. Imagine you want to write a short story about a magical adventure. You might start with a sentence like this: "The cat sat on the mat." Now, that's a simple sentence, but it doesn't give us much to work with. But with a little creativity and proper grammar, we can transform that sentence into something magical. Underneath the twinkling stars, a mischievous black cat with shimmering fur settled on the ancient, enchanted mat. See how the use of descriptive words and proper grammar brings the sentence to life? The correct use of adjectives, prepositions, and verb tenses helps us create a vivid image in the reader's mind. Now, let's talk about another important aspect of creative writing: vocabulary. Having a rich vocabulary allows you to choose the perfect words to create atmosphere, evoke emotions, and engage your readers. It helps you paint a more colorful picture with your words. For example, instead of saying, "The tree was big," you could say, "The majestic oak tree towered over the forest, its branches reaching towards the heavens." By using descriptive words, we can make the reader feel the grandeur and awe of the scene. Lastly, creative writing encourages you to experiment with literary devices, which add a touch of artistry to your writing. Let's look at an example. Her laughter was music to his ears. Here, we are using a simile to compare laughter to music, creating a beautiful image in the reader's mind. Remember, creative writing is a journey of self-expression, where grammar serves as your guide. So, embrace your creativity, play with words, and let your imagination soar. I hope this explanation and example inspire you to dive into the world of creative writing and have fun exploring the possibilities. Happy writing!